All right, so this is my enhancement to SQL, and first thing is going to show that they do have a folder with the enhancement to SQL, and I have the Tony Stark. Let me go ahead and get over to the, I just did it, but let me go ahead and show you again. So I have that. And let me make this a little bit bigger so I can get into the SQL and go ahead and paste that in and show that that is inserted into the client's query results optional. And then from there as well, the spacious interior, the next one I have over here, where we have it right there. And let me go over here and update it. Come on. There we go. Show the update of there, and go ahead and hit there to do that. And then we have the spacious interior. There we go, there's the spacious interior. Go back. That does work. And delete, whoops, here we go. Okay, that does work as well. And the, oh my goodness. Stop. Okay, we're just gonna make this bigger. There we go. And I don't think I did this one either. We'll go ahead. Oh, let me try that one more time. Come back to that one. This one obviously wants to go. Let me go ahead and update that one and simulate that. That is working. And then I do have the 500, the error message as well. That does work. Oh, I made that way too big. And then I do have it where if that doesn't work, and then I do have the connections PHP right here that has everything. So if it doesn't work, it does go to that page. And then we do have the that one is going to be just a blank page right there as well. But other than that, I did enjoy learning PHP. That is something that I did like, and I think I got everything. The connections, PHP, yes, I did show that it is a blank page, and yeah.